Check that out. Salesperson. Scam artist, dude. It's funny, you don't even know where that thing comes from. Okay, this is somewhat more decent. This is like usually the ones that I order.
This is not ours, right?
Yeah, but the last time I had it here was 36%.
Yeah, because this one has sesame seed. Oh my gosh. He gave you more. I'm gonna. Because you're standing.
Hallelujah.
Because you're standing here, he gave you more.
Well, one time I was eating here with my friends, and then this boulet guy passed by. He said, "This place will give you a hot dessert." I was like, dude,
It is so true.
don't eat it.
It is so true. Oh, she only ordered. Tell me we bought about half. You bought one whole.
Yeah. You cannot order half and half. There's no such
Then
thing.
how come this person only ordered half?
Yeah, because you order half, right? So she's only doing half for you and half chocolate.
Oh.
Right? Yeah. If you only order half and then another half, there's no way. Oh my god, that's wrong.
Or you cannot just order half. Oh my gosh, the chocolate.
You cannot order half a pie and then you have two flavors. Impossible.
Ah, got you.
Yeah, it
But
has
I
to be
can
the
order
whole.
half
Yeah.
only.
Half but only one flavor. You want two flavors, you have to get the full
you
one.
should have. Okay.
No, it's okay. You don't come here often, you have to finish it.
Yeah, I didn't see her face. I was busy. It's okay.
So you have to eat the ends first because those are the best part.
That's the crispy part. Or the one at the
And you know what?
corner.
If it's half or full, you still pay the same price. That's the most stupid one.
Oh.
But I find that the full one is too filling. I like the
Too
half.
filling.
Yes, you should try this one. Tuh Pak, katanya